Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you're going to see today is kind of a continuation from a swipe and spin painting that I did a couple videos ago. I wanted to show you guys how just by changing the order of the colors or the layering of the colors, you can really change what your painting looks like. So I want to show you, this is the one that I did a couple of weeks ago. This one right here, if you guys remember this one. And for this new painting, this new swipe and spin painting, I reversed the order of the colors. So instead of layering the QNAG gold, then the lime green, then the violet blue, then the chrome oxide green, I actually switched that, did chrome oxide green first, and so on. So, that's my dog trying to get into my into my studio. He's trying to push the door open. So this is the painting right here, you guys. So you can see, I mean, they look very different. I will say there is a little difference with this one too. With the one previously, I used Caput Mortem and just a little drop of lamp black to kind of darken it up. I used that as my swipe color. For this one, I didn't want to go quite so dark, so I just used the Caput Mortem by itself. I didn't add any black to it to darken it up. So there is that little bit of difference, but you can still see the other difference as well when it comes to the layering. So I'll put them up side by side so you can kind of see how, I mean, they basically look like two completely different paintings because of the difference in the layering of the colors. So I have my formula as well as the colors listed in the description box that I used. And I also have online courses on my website, Crystal Coast Originals. I have a swipe and spin course, a gradient Dutch pour course, and some mini courses as well. So if you guys are interested, please check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.